The last few years have witnessed the electric vehicles EV gaining momentum across the world. Hailed as a perfect alternative to petrol and diesel vehicles, EVs promise a decarbonized society. Like world nations, India is also investing in electric vehicles, with its EV market expected to hit a CAGR of 90% by 2030. As part of the efforts to establish electric vehicles in India, the country is envisioning a cloud-based smart system for EV charging. The smart EV charging is a system where electric vehicles, charging stations and charging operators are connected by sharing data links. Contrary to the conventional charging devices, this system allows the charging station owner to remotely monitor, regulate and restrict the use of their devices to save energy consumption. In a nutshell, the charging station owners will receive real-time data from the linked charging events and devices. Smart charging requires the identification of an electric vehicle driver at the charging station. Then it would establish a link between the charging station, the charging event and the EV driver. The customer has to pay an appropriate fee to the charging station owner for using their services. Other than providing real-time data to charging station owners, the intelligent EV charging system offers some other benefits such as access to digital payments, continuous charging experience, easy accessibility and dependability. As it allows digital payments, users can avoid carrying cash and pay via UPI, wallets or debit or credit cards. With this, a single charger can serve multiple users anywhere in the network, ensuring them a seamless EV charging experience. One can easily find live information about the charging power, charging price and the availability of charging stations in a city. It can be installed anywhere like malls, hospitals, colleges, bus stops, railway stations, offices and even at EV owners' homes. This increases the accessibility of stations to the users. Since the smart EV charging system has charge optimization functionality, it maintains battery health, safeguarding the electricity grid of the property and vehicle's battery from damage. So this is how the smart EVs shall change our society and the world soon, encouraging decarbonization. For more such interesting news, do subscribe to channelIAM.com. We are also available on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you.